In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Netflix has encountered an error issue, especially error code NW-2-5. If you are facing this problem on your TV or device, don't worry. This is usually a common issue and can be fixed with a few simple steps. In many cases, the error may fix itself just by logging out and logging back in. But if it doesn't, follow the steps below. First, go to your TV home screen using your remote and open the settings menu. From there, navigate to the Apps section and find Netflix in the list of installed applications. Once you open it, scroll down and look for the option to clear cache. After clearing the cache, also select Clear Data to reset the app completely. This helps remove any corrupted files that might be causing the error. If the issue still continues, the next step is to force stop the Netflix app. After force stopping it, wait a few seconds and then reopen the app again. You will need to log back into your Netflix account, and in many cases, this step alone fixes the problem. Finally, if nothing works, restart your TV or device and try again. This refreshes the system and often resolves any remaining glitches. So that's how you can fix the Netflix NW-2-5 error. Hopefully, this method helps you get back to streaming without any issues.